Hello, this is Alexander Green, Chief Investment Strategist with the Oxford Club. I wanted to tell you about a portfolio I created back in 2003 that's been very successful. It's called the Fishin portfolio. And it has a lighthearted name, but it actually has a very serious objective because it shows you how to handle your serious money in a serious way. When I say serious money, I'm not talking about day trading or short-term trading strategies. I'm talking about the foundation that you're going to build your net worth on. And the portfolio has had years where it beat the market by a wide margin. Sometimes it's lagged the market in certain years. But over the last 20 years, it has beaten the S&P 500 with far less risk than being fully invested in stocks because it's diversified into other areas. And the amazing thing about this is there's no security selection. There is no turning your money over to a portfolio manager. There's no commissions, no brokerage charges, no 12B1 fees. And yet it's so simple that it takes less than 20 minutes a year to actually implement the plan. And no one cares more about your money than you do. You should manage it yourself. If you're not, it's almost certainly because you feel like you're not capable, you're not qualified. If you read this book, and I now let the cat out of the bag. I've written a book. It was a New York Times bestseller called The Fishin Portfolio. And the subtitle is Get Wise, Get Wealthy, and Get On With Your Life, because the idea is you can very simply and easily meet all of your most important investment objectives and do it with a very low level of risk. I often ask people, when was the last time you received qualified investment advice from someone who had no objective, no ulterior motive, not to sell you an investment plan or a mutual fund or a brokerage account or an insurance policy, no ulterior motive whatsoever? Well, that's what the Fishin portfolio is. So I recently sat down with longtime subscriber and friend Bill O'Reilly to have a discussion about the book and about some of the other strategies that I'm using to take advantage of what is really shaping up to be very powerful economy and investment returns over the next couple of years, despite all the things that are going on in Washington from time to time, and what some of the best opportunities are in the stock market right now. And if you watch this presentation, you'll have an opportunity to get a copy of my new revised and updated version of the Fishin portfolio with a new foreword by Bill O'Reilly ahead of publication because it's not out for several weeks still. So if you'd like to see what it's all about, hear my conversation with Bill O'Reilly, I encourage you to click on the link below and learn more about how I see the markets and what lies ahead, and get a chance again to pick up a copy of my new book, The Fishin Portfolio, before it ever hits the stores. So just click on the link below, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.